Welcome to TeenEagle Maths, a new global challenge under the TeenEagle brand. If you're interested in learning how TeenEagle Maths can help you and your students soar to new heights globally, listen on. At TeenEagle Maths, we have 6 age categories, ranging from early primary grades all the way to upper secondary and advanced grades. Let's see how these students can get involved in the competition and how it works. The competition structure has 3 steps. First, practice and learn. The teeneagle.org website has a lot of online materials, practice exams. We also have our free Zoom Club classes that happen on Saturdays, where you can join teachers and other Eagles from all over the world to learn and practice the topics on our syllabus. The next step is to qualify. Qualifying is an online examination. It's 30 questions in 90 minutes, and in some countries, we also have paper-based options. If students pass this exam, they then get invited to step 3, competing at the global finals. We'll get into qualifying in the global finals a bit more deeply now. So these are the dates of our online qualifier exams. There is one exam each month. So anybody on these examinations that scores in the top 10%, giving them a gold medal certificate, gets a 10% discount on the global finals. To register for these exams, you can simply go to teeneagle.org, click on Join Now, and then register into our portal where you're able to select qualifiers and other events. The qualification exam, as I mentioned before, is 90 minutes and it has 30 questions. These are all multiple choice on the qualifier. All of the questions are based on our TeenEagle Maths curriculum. The curriculum can be found on our website under TeenEagle Maths. They cover a variety of different topics, again, all from the syllabus. And you must get at least a 40% or an honorable mention certificate level to be able to pass and get invited to the global finals. Twice a year, we have a super online round for maths. This exam is exactly the same kinds of questions, same structure, but students that score in the top percentages of these exams can win big discounts to the global finals. So for maths, the first one is on December 6th, 2025. The next is the 21st of February, 2026. And of course, the goal of all of this qualifying is to get to the global finals. TeenEagle has 4 global finals happening this season, 1 in Dubai, 2 in the UK, and 1 in the United States. The competition at these global finals is as follows. There are 3 competitive events, and these 3 competitive events combine to give all participants 2 medals. So we have 2 medal categories. The first one is based on the written exam and the rapid fire round. The written exam, again, is exactly like that qualifier, 30 questions in 90 minutes. This is more quantitative and computational, as is the rapid fire round, which is why these two combine together for the quantitative and computational medal. The rapid fire round is more live, quick response kind of questions. This is done with the students all together, but of course answering separately in a quick fashion using a push button system. Think about it like Kahoot, right? So everybody is sitting with their device, the questions are projected, and the students are scored based on, of course, accuracy, but also speed. The second medal that Eagles can win in this competition is the Logical Minds Challenge, which is the logical reasoning and analytical thinking medal. So in this challenge, students see 5 carefully designed challenges. They're questions, but they're more in-depth questions. And work and what they produce is also part of the score. So again, we have the two different medal categories, the logical reasoning and analytical thinking based on logical minds challenge, and the quantitative and computational medal based on the written exam and the rapid fire round. We also do have a rapid fire showcase, wherein after the rapid fire round is finished in classrooms and we have all the scores, top scorers are chosen to compete live on stage. It's not part of the overall score, but winners do get additional trophies. So, of course, mentioning those trophies, it's important to know what our participants win or can win in this event. So we have gold, silver, bronze, and honorable mention medals, 2 medals, as we discussed. Everybody is going to get a certificate based on their medal category. And we do have top awards for each category. So each of those 3 events, the top scorers win an additional trophy. And a great benefit here, for participating in the global finals, students are eligible for up to £6,000 of scholarships from our partner universities. But of course, globals is not all competition. There's a lot of fun involved as well. So the main competitive events take place on the first 2 days. Then that's followed by an amazing trip. All of the Eagles together are going to do amazing things. They're going to go on tours, see the sights. This is our example program for Dubai. This is the one that takes place in London in the United Kingdom. And you'll see here, they do things like going into central London, seeing Tower Bridge, going to Harry Potter, a lot of fun activities. They also get to see other cities besides just London. They get to see Cambridge and Oxford. This is an amazing trip. And the program in the United States, the same in that the first 2 days are the competition, and then it's followed by going around in New York City, seeing sites that everyone has been seeing on TV their entire lives. It's a really great trip, packed with adventure, and sure to build a lot of great memories. At the end of the program, we all come together and have an amazing award ceremony where students are then given their awards and their accolades for their achievements in the competition. So again, why TeenEagle Maths? Well, for our students, of course, it's going to enhance their critical thinking, build confidence, and give them international recognition. But something great is that this is really wonderful for their future. I mean, it's preparing them for even bigger and more challenging things in their future, more challenging competitions, but also this is great for their CV. These kinds of competitions are amazing for getting into universities, getting accepted into internship programs. As all good teachers know, these sorts of competitions, competing on a global level, showing your skills and being recognized, these are great things for our students' futures. So, if you're interested in signing up or learning more, head over to teeneagle.org, click on the Join Now button in the top right corner, and join us in our journey. We hope to see you at the Global Finals.